Hello my internet friends, John Gibson here with I Need Examples. With all the different file formats being used, it is important we can transfer data between programs. Sometimes it is as easy as copy-paste, but there are some file formats such as PDF that can cause some issues. Let's give it a try. In the PDF, select the table information you wish to bring into Excel. Copy the data, Ctrl-C. Now, in Excel, click on cell A1 and paste, Ctrl-V. As you can see, the information did paste into Excel, but only the row information was split out. All of the columns were placed into column A. This information is unusable. So what do we do? Microsoft has a solution. The Get Data tool in Microsoft Excel is an easy, efficient way to import data into Excel from many different file formats. In this example, I'm going to explain how to import data into Excel from a PDF file. The only requirement is the PDF file information must be text. Images of a table or text will not work. I've included a link below to the PDF file that I'm using in this example. On the screen, you will see on the left side the PDF file that I'm going to use. On the right is the Excel worksheet where I wish to place the PDF data. In Excel, let's start with clicking on the menu option, Data. This will open a menu ribbon. On the left side of the ribbon, you will see the menu option, Get Data. Clicking on Get Data will open a drop-down menu. As you can see, we have many options to choose from. Right now, we will only focus on the From File submenu. I will go over the other submenus in later videos. Clicking on the From File submenu, another menu opens. This one is focused on the different files Excel can import data from. Find and click the From PDF menu option. A select dialog box will appear. Locate and select your file. In this case, I'm looking for the I Need Examples businesstools.pdf file. Once selected, click on Import. A new dialog box will appear called Navigator. This dialog box will show all available import options for the selected file. In this case, you will see Table 001, Page 1, Table 002, Page 1, and Page 001. Let's click on Table 001. On the right side, you will see the table we want to import into Excel. 4 columns and 6 rows, including the header row. Just so we could get a feel for the other options in this dialog box, let's click on page 001. As you can see, Excel will take all the workable text and put it into cells that it thinks will work best. In this case, it is taking the software table and the bills table and combining them. Also, you will see that the image table is not represented since there is no usable text. Another option we have is the Select Multiple Items. Checking this box, you can now select which items you want to import. Unlike selecting page 001, which selected all the text information into one group of cells, using the Select Multiple Items feature will import each table individually. Let's just focus on table 001. Click on table 001, page 1. On the right side, you will see the table data that we wish to import. Before bringing the data into Excel, we have the option to transform the data if needed. Let me show you what this looks like. We will return to this screen afterwards. You do not need to follow along in your worksheet. Click on the Transform Data button on the lower right side of the dialog box. Now a new Transform dialog box will appear. Here we could transform the data before bringing it into Excel. For example, we could choose which columns we wish to import, remove rows such as duplicate rows, and even add a new column to the table. There are so many options to choose from and worth looking around. Let's get back to the basics of importing the PDF data. On the previous dialog box, we selected Table 001. Now find and click the Load button. There, the data that was in the PDF file is now usable in the Excel table. In later videos, I will go into detail on more advanced import features from external sources, so please make sure to subscribe and like this video. It really does help the channel. Again, my name is John Gibson with I Need Examples. I wish you a wonderful day.